actually, you have a better network.
Right,
I don't
you
know.
must be at the right angle, right? Okay.
I'm not sure how they did it, but like they are doing some work right there. Yeah.
That's great.
Because you see the green light.
That's right.
It was red. Like,
That's right. So we're doing everything we can to give you guys the best live streaming quality possible.
yeah.
All right. Okay, they're making some little adjustments in the script to get a better, I guess, a more accurate positioning of the robot arm. And what's really interesting here is the different arms that are being utilized here by the different teams. And we have one team that are using the two Baxter robots, but everyone else, either they develop their own robotic arm or they have a different manufacturer.
Right. And different scriptures also, right?
They all run their own scripts.
Yeah,
of course,
they run their own.
They're still working on their script here.
But it's mostly about arms, right? Because it's grasping.
Well, it's both. It's arm and gripper, right? They have to work in conjunction with each other, right? Okay. Let's see how they do here. I think they're trying to make the adjustments here. What we can do is, let's swing around to see how George Mason is doing. Adjusting his script there. Yeah, let's okay, let's go back to Team Colorado. They have successfully grasped the straw and they got a better grip on it. Let's see. Well, because of the angle of the straw, let's see how. So what's the? Oh my gosh! So close, close. Oh my gosh! Almost had it. Almost. Let's see. That's how it works here. Okay. Yeah.
He's remote controlling.
It. Yeah. I think perhaps maybe he's actually doing a trial run there. Is it okay? Oh. Okay. So actually the first portion was autonomous.
Oh yeah.
When they actually picked up the straw and positioning it over the cup was autonomous.
Yeah.
Dropping the straw into the cup was actually manually helped. Remotely helped, sorry. Okay, so that is done. The next task will be to grasp the salt shaker and
spread it on the plate, maybe.
And sprinkle the salt onto the plate. I believe. Let's see. Let's see which one they choose. They have a few more to go.
I think they are also trying to make it practical, you know, something we can use.
Yeah, a lot of these are practical applications, right? So I mean, whether it be fine tuning and inserting a straw into a cup, sprinkling salt over your dinner, okay, or being able to simply grasp a tool like a screwdriver over there, as you can see right there, okay, or simply if you were to eat, using a spoon to obviously spoon food items from a bowl.
I can already imagine Robert cooking in a restaurant and serving, you know, to customers, right?
Provided that those recipes are foolproof, I think so. Yes. Yeah, of course, the human element in cooking is very important.
Yeah.
But I guess if you're cooking for thousands of people, maybe robots will serve a very good purpose. So I think they're adjusting for the next task here. Let's go to a different desk and see it here.
Where are you saying? Let's see.
We're still waiting for this. Where's the next this way? Let's see, are they finished here? Let's see. What more do they have to go here? Let's see.
They're still working on putting it.
There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Now it's a night light that's already been inserted into the outlet.
Okay.
It's gonna go and try to grasp it and pull it out of the outlet. Let's see how it does. Okay. It's actually got it centered. Will it pinch at the right time with enough force? Let's see. Okay, it's in the correct position. Let's see if, there we go, let's see. Will it pinch it? Yeah, there it is, very good, well done, okay. Well done, I was able to pull it out. Now, it's trying to put it back in, reinsert it back into the outlet. That's a little bit more challenging. Now, the Korean plugs have two prongs that stick out of it. Two circular prongs. Not to confuse with the North American plugs. Alright, let's see. Okay. Now this is going to require a lot of fine-tune adjustments here. Let's see how what you do. Okay, right now it's a little bit off center.
I think the robot is supposed to use force when it thinks that it's in the right position.
Of course.
Because it's always moving. To make it.
The small movements actually take it off center, which makes it a bit more challenging. Ideally, if the small movements didn't occur, all it would need to do is simply unplug and strictly go back down into the plug again to reinsert. But that's not happening at the moment. Okay, so from what I can hear over there, one of the coordinators is saying that what you can do is you could, once it's taken out of the outlet, when the robot arm goes back down to reinsert, as long as it's somewhat close to the position, a team member can then push the night light into the outlet. Okay. So I think with that information, let's see if they are able to get a successful run this time around. Okay, here we go. All right. So now it's going to go in there. It's adjusting. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Good. It's over. Okay. Okay. Now it's centered. All it needs to do now is grab it or pinch on it. Still plugged in. There we go. Okay, now it is up. Now, as it goes back down, can they help? Will they help it? Okay, so now they're gonna aid it. There we go. Okay. They had it in the first time. So I think they gave them a clear. I think they let them have the place. Okay. All right. Let's see. Bless you.
Thank you.
Let's go to Team Colorado.
Okay.
Let's actually get from that angle. It is sprinkling the salts into the plates. So if you like to eat eggs, you can use this robot. Just pour your salt on the egg.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Small by small, little by little.
Now, one thing interesting about this gripper is that it's actually embedded with tactile sensors.
Tactile sensor.
Tactile sensors.
Tactile sensor.
It also measures shear force at the fingertips. Now the problem here is that I feel like in the bottle itself, the salt is not moving. Yeah, notice inside the salt container,
Yeah.
salt is not moving around much, so it's not really
yeah.
coming out, right? Let's go to the Sampan University.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go from this side. Let's go.
How do they steer?
Now they also are doing the salt shaker challenge, where they're actually trying to sprinkle salt into the plate. Now, if you notice the way it's grabbed the salt shaker, it has a firm grip on it. However, I'm not sure the angle.
Yeah, it's blocking the way.
Well, actually, there's some holes that are
Yeah.
exposed, but let's see what angles they use to actually sprinkle the salt. At the moment, I believe they're still working on the script at the moment.
Yeah.
Nothing's happening as of yet.
Now I can see why they gave them 2 hours to do this.
Right, yes. Some of these challenges require fine motor movements. Some not, but I think no matter how you look at it, there are challenges involved here.
Yeah.
So I think they're still figuring these out. Let's come back to this those later. Let's go back to George Mason. What's happening over there?
저희 교수님이
Grab the salt.
It's got different hands.
Yes. It's using two pincher gripper.
He said it's as far as they can get. Yeah, at the moment.
Gotcha.
여기 뭐 하나도 했어요 그러면은? 아직 하나도 못했어요?
계속 트라잉 중이에요.
하나도 아직 안 됐어요?
테스팅이랑 트라잉 하는 건데 안 돼요.
They haven't made any, success.
Okay, so no progress as of yet. Okay, all right. Let's see. There's a good reason why every team here is given 2 hours.
Yeah.
Because I think all the different tasks require different scripts to run, right? And making the little adjustments they need to make in between. Let's see. Let's go back to the Tsinghua table over there.
Maybe we can ask like one of the team about
Not right now.
Not right now because they're busy.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
We were told by the associate.
Okay.
Here we go. All right. This is how it's looking. It's sprinkling the salt simply by rotating and swiveling of the arm. So I'm assuming that it's supposed to dispense a certain amount of salt into the plate for it to pass.
Okay.
So given that at the rate that it's going, it's going to take a little while. But at least it's successfully doing so.
Yeah. It's just a matter of time.
It's a matter of time, exactly. In the meantime, let's go over to Dorobot.
Okay.
How is Korean team doing from
Kyungan University?
Yes.
From Kyungan University.
Everything is, we're just waiting.
setting one over here? They're actually fine-tuning some of the pinchers on the robotic hand.
Yeah. Again, it's so complicated, you know.
Well, again, this team has actually built their hand and arm in their lab, so that's very impressive. None of this stuff was pre-manufactured. They actually assembled it and put this together, actually developed it in the laboratory. Now, the hand is quite big.
Yeah, really big.
Yeah. It's got 4 fingers.